and welcome to day 8 of the Simple Sexy Surprise series. In tonight's video, it's all about the romantic bath date. But first, let's check out what I'm wearing from Shein.com. This is a 2-piece pant night suit. It's velvet, trimmed in black, and it is so sexy and so comfy. Go ahead and check out Shein.com for your Valentine's Day essentials. Okay, let's get started. Here is his robe that I have folded and put onto the vanity. Here are some supplies that we'll be using to make his bubble bath oh so romantic. This is this rose-infused glove and the rose-infused bath sponge. They both were purchased at the Dollar Tree for $1 each, and y'all, they smell so good. And for my bath date, you know we have to have some candles, wax and battery operated. These golden rose petals are fit for a king. We want to give him the king experience. And these bath bombs, oh my goodness, he's going to love them. Let's start decorating. I'm going to start scattering rose petals, putting my candles out, lighting a few of them, and pretty soon I'm going to go ahead and draw him a bath. I'll be right back. Keep watching and enjoy the music.
내게 다가와줘 어서 내게 키스를 해줘 오늘 이 밤이 내게 너무 소중해 내게 장난치지 마 다가와 my baby girl I need you girl stay here lady I need you girl save me lady I need you girl stay here lady I need you girl save me lady I need you girl baby come on baby just to my world talking to my eyes alone I need you girl stay here lady I need you girl save me lady I need you girl come on baby let's go party time to let it go you are my
This looks so relaxing. And ladies, don't be shy. It's okay to join him for his bath. Hey, it's his day, it's his night. Be his sweetheart. Let's make him happy. And gentlemen, I would never leave you out. This can be done by you guys as well. Do you know how good it makes us feel coming in from a long day at work to know that someone has drawn us a bath? And all we have to do is get in and soak and relax and possibly be bathed by the one we love, sitting in the middle of nothing but candlelights and rose petals. We would love it. So, get on your job. I hope this romantic bath date gives you plenty of inspiration. We have 6 more days until Valentine's Day. If you haven't started, I have about 6 more ideas for you. So I'll be seeing you tomorrow night, 7 p.m. I would like to thank everyone for watching, supporting, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.